553.
I'm a fucking mermaid, bitch. That's why.
Ariel.
So Tiffany's over there talking shit because I'm making her make this egg roll bowl. So that's what you're gonna see today. Anyway, and then there's Leah back there.
Alright, no, don't.
See, this is why I'm
Bringing everybody in.
I hate you. This is why he
Anyway, let's get to it.
Is that what?
You're crazy. Like an overhead shot. Oh my god, look what she's doing, chopping up onions.
Oh my god, I'm crying right now.
Should I make my February? I just took the stuff off of this planner. It's an update. It's a 4-month undated planner.
We got that from Happy Meal.
Yeah, it was on sale for like $10. Oh, so behind.
Fred, you're dumb.
Why is he dumb?
Because he's
Leave Reggie alone.
eating the shit that's falling on the floor.
Man.
Who are you calling?
Sharika? You know Sharika.
Oh.
Her husband calls me her boyfriend. They will never work, okay?
Yeah, so why are you saying that you're gonna break up your boyfriend?
Oh, by the way, we're getting some tea now. You want more than that? Oh, that's fine. Oh my god,
Joey,
the dead has risen.
What? You even brought Leah over.
Hi.
Do you
Look at how
remember
happy he is
Leah?
to
Or
see
did you
me.
ever meet Leah?
No, not even not non-virtual.
Leah, that's my son.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That is my
Just
son.
virtual.
Oh my god, no. Fucking tagging and shit.
I can't tell you anything on these other ones.
Yeah. What happened? Bitch, I'm not playing no game. Oh, it's you.
Chris, he's what the hell are you doing there?
You're recording too?
I took a picture.
Oh, she'll be on YouTube, don't worry.
Dude, I thought I was just gonna.
I'm making a video with my friend Tim, but I'll call you right back in a little bit. Bye. Okay, go.
Okay, go what?
I
This is a process. Oh, like for years ago?
Yeah.
Oh, is it my turn?
Yeah.
Hey, move the flowers so y'all can have more room. Or you not want to move the flowers?
It's a culmination of things.
I like how she uses big words, though.
A combination of things?
Culmination.
Culmination.
Okay. She is white.
Oh, yeah.
I am white. Do you have Valentine's Day stickers still?
Checking that bag.
Hi, and you're still in the loving mode?
Bitch, we like Valentine's Day, okay? Here, we're not anti-Valentine's. We're
Hi,
just
I need
single.
a season. Get over here.
I hate recording
Checking
this
this
way.
bag?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Why do you have two things going on?
This is gonna be like the big one, and then this is gonna be like, oh look, this is what she's doing.
Oh my god. You have so much shit.
I don't know if I have Valentine's. I think I do actually have Valentine's Day though.
Oh.
I don't want to take a
I
picture.
like how
of
he
you.
says Valentine's.
Shut the fuck up. See the shit I gotta put up with?
So cute.
I don't know what you're putting up with.
cute, man.
The one that lives over there by Converse.
He's on the side of Converse. He has kids, so we know he does something right.
Andy, the one who lives in Converse, he's the one that just had his first baby. Anthony is the one that has had several. You're not.
Oh my god, that's a lot of grief.
It is. Why do you think I'm taking it out?
Just put the napkin in there.
Because then it's going to be really messy, don't you think?
No.
We'll get the napkin behind
No.
you.
Where are you not? Are these brownies? Or they suck up a lot of the stuff that way?
Oh, I don't give bounty.
Brawny.
Go,
Brownie?
go, 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 go.
Wait. Look. Just leave it in there like that. Press it down.
Are you putting that on the video?
Yes.
I love it.
Crazy.
Flip it around.
Because I want to be all white and use the syringe over here, the little suction.
Bitch, good joke. I'm not gonna say that. It's a PG video I'm trying to make here, so I'm not gonna go there with it.
Damn it.
¿Viste how easy that was? Just sucking up with the booster and blah blah blah.
Qué bueno, quítate.
Listo.
I'm going to put in my cabbage mix. Coleslaw mix.
My cabbage mix.
Your cabbage mix.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Red, are you trying to do that?
Oh really?
The red.
Oh. I think it's a dish.
When's your interview?
Tuesday, in person.
Tuesday. What's Tuesday? The 10th?
Yeah.
Pues por hoy, para Tuesday and any other day. No, let's talk about it on lunes.
What?
Nothing to expect on Monday.
That's true. That's true, bitch.
Yeah, I think Sandra told me that they were going to be in the office
Oh.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
I was like, what? There's coming? I'm like, great. Why did I do this to myself?
Where is my...
Oh, we gotta fucking dress up.
Prepared?
Why are you doing that?
Are you prepared? Like,
No.
Leon, so do you want this or not?
I
I
don't
don't
know.
know.
Oh, what are you gonna wear? Don't wear black.
Why?
Yeah, wear something
Wear something not of you.
light.
Something bright.
Yeah.
Something like, I don't know. If you're ever in black.
I mean, I have a lot of color. Like, do I wear pants and a top and a jacket?
Well, I hope you wear pants and top.
Do I wear a dress?
Don't do the whole like power thing that you're telling you. I can't say that on the video.
What power thing? The what?
And then I say, oh, you're with the pants.
I
don't
say
do that.
dress something that's you, but more
Not you.
you're ready for an interview.
Yeah.
Can I use that big one over there? You're still using that recipe one over there.
What?
You're still using that over there?
What over?
That big one? You can use a small one
Thank you.
if you can see it.
I can use these?
Yeah, I already used them in here.
Okay. That's what I'm asking. You're like, do you want this or not?
I know.
I don't know.
Yeah, do you? Because if you know, because I've been there where it's like you're gonna do an interview, and either you prepare because you want it, you really want it, and if you don't prepare, it's because you just.
I don't know what to prepare. Like what? I don't know what they're gonna ask.
Well, it's like what?
Put it on my head. Dude, I like these pants.
I love them, Ray.
Where
Like
did you get those pants?
Walmart. I got them during the
Black Friday?
Friday deal.
I like them, and I like the color too.
Here, give me this. I'll put it up.
Oh, thank you.
Reg, here, get it, Reg? Here, put it up, Reg.
Red. Do something, Red.
Oh, she's not like Doja? Doja doesn't?
No,
Oh.
she's not
Doja doesn't do
Doja.
that shit either.
Doja. How?
Doja's like, yeah, I'm better than that.
She's like, I'm not getting these polished
I'm
and dirty.
above this.
I'm above this.
That's
Where's my steak? Where's my Whataburger?
bitch.
For real. Spoiled ass.
How do we start talking about Doja, please?
You did. You started it.
You started it.
You see that? It's gonna be good with some salsa.
Ah, dude, it's gonna be delicious. I can't wait.
Did you say it was salsa?
Mm-hmm.
Get the fuck out of here.
Bitch,
That's-
watch, try it.
Asian.
Yeah, it's gonna be Mexican, Asian, and beautiful.
And voila, there's your egg, my type of egg roll in a bowl.
She said it, my type of egg roll.
My type.
Do you get like a close up on your face now? I don't even know it came out.
Sweet. Come on, good thing I washed my face.
I know.
Didn't know I had to be dressed. I mean, or get dressed for Ray today.
Transition.
And I'll use my Yellowstone bowls.
Yellowstone.
Yeah, Joey bought me these Yellowstone the collection for,
Shut up, for real?
for my birthday last year.
These are super cool.
Don't crack one. So I washed it just to replace it.
So you don't use the seasoning that you use for the noodles on here?
I poured it in.
Oh, you poured it, okay.
I poured it in the seasoning already.
Reg, you want some too? Is Reg getting?
Reg does not get any.
Aww.
Oh, Reggie.
I don't know. Do you guys want me to serve you?
I need like a B-roll.
A what?
Like a B-roll
What's a B-roll?
of you like serving that.
Oh. It's like, what?
I'm so done with you. Can I have a water?
No.
Yes, I think there's one cold one. Joey hasn't put the rest.
Oh, I have ice. Oh, yeah, he did. He refilled it.
Oh, he did.
Do we add cheese to this or no?
No.
Oh.
No.
No.
Sorry, I cheesed everything. I don't even know my pancita's showing on the video. Like,
Oh shit, I put everything on it.
huh?
Yeah, I'm ready.
He's like, ooh, food. Oh, Reggie. Oh, thank you. Got my fork. You still.
You still. me to go back over there by like 5, 5:30.
I'm a fucking mermaid, bitch. That's why.
Ariel.
I don't want to go over there. I just need to get this shit. Look at it work though, yeah. Que suave. Mira. Mira, mira. Look, it looks good now. Except for my curls in the back, but look. I brought salsa because I want salsa on my fucking egg roll bowl, bitch. It's Mexican infused.
I put spicy.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I am white. Do you have Valentine's Day stickers still?
Checking that bag.
Hi, and you're still in the loving mode?
Bitch, we like Valentine's Day, okay? Here, we're not anti-Valentine's.
Hi, I need a season. Get over here.
I hate recording this way. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Why do you have two things going on?
Because this is gonna be like the big one, and then this is gonna be like, oh look, this is what she's doing.
Oh my god, you have so much shit.
I don't know if I have Valentine's. I think I do actually have Valentine's Day. I don't want to take a
I
picture.
like how it says Valentine's.
Shut the fuck up. See the shit I gotta put up with?
It's so cute.
Okay, bye.